saw your face beneath the rain. Every drop whispered your name. The world moved on, but I just stayed, lost in the dreams we made. And though you're gone, I still can feel your shadow in my every tear. If love was pain, then let me bleed for you, my only need. My heart is written in your name. Every beat still sounds the same. No distance, time, or endless pain can wash your memory away. The night still hums your lullaby. The stars still hold your last goodbye. I close my eyes and there you are, too close yet still so far. Maybe in another life we'll meet, where hearts don't break and love's complete. But till that dawn, I'll keep this flame. My soul forever bears your name. My heart is written in your name. Each tear I cry still calls your name. If heaven hears me, let it rain, so you can know I love you the same. So if you ever feel my pain, no love like mine will ever fade. My heart is written in your name forever. In your name forever.